Hello, in this video we tell you how neon effect works. Let's start. I darken the background color first. I will create a new layer. Now I will apply an effect suitable for my background. I'm ready to write the words. I copy the text layer and open the Smart Object. After this, I will apply a little blurry effect. Now we will continue with the blending options in our original text layer. In the next step, I open a mask on the effect we applied to the background and use the brush to darken the appropriate places. Again, I apply a brush stroke with a suitable color on a new layer open text, and I will use it as an effect. I explained the process in its simplest form. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more beautiful content.